If you are searching for a clean, space-saving desktop for everyday home or office use, the HP 22-inch Full HD All-in-One computer offers an integrated design that keeps your desk setup uncluttered. This computer combines the monitor and internal components into a single unit. It features a 22-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 display with an anti-glare finish, which helps reduce reflections during extended work or streaming sessions. Under the hood, it is powered by a quad-core Intel N100 processor paired with 16 GB of high-speed memory. This combination allows for smooth performance across everyday tasks like web browsing with multiple open tabs, writing documents, managing spreadsheets, and participating in video conference calls. For file storage, the unit includes 128 GB of internal storage for fast system startup and immediate access to core applications. Users with larger media libraries or heavy files may want to utilize external drives or cloud storage solutions. For remote work and communication, the desktop includes a pop-up privacy camera that retracts when not in use, along with dual digital array microphones featuring noise reduction for clear video calls. The package comes complete with a matching white USB keyboard and mouse, so you can set up quickly right out of the box. Running Windows 11, it provides standard compatibility with web-based productivity suites including Office 365 for web. Overall, this setup may suit students, home office workers, or anyone needing a compact desktop for daily internet, media, and general productivity. If you found this overview helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.